Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Git and preparing credentials so you can work securely. First, run the Git installer and accept Git bash and the credential helper. Once done, sign into GitHub or create an account and decide SSH versus HTTPS tokens. SSH gives fewer prompts. Now open Git bash and run git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you@example.com. This links commits to you, and Git version confirms the install. You'll now fetch code and work on a feature. Start by cloning the repository with git clone repo URL or use GitHub desktop if you prefer a GUI. Then create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name to isolate your work. This keeps main clean. Make edits in your preferred editor, stage changes with git add, and commit with git commit m, short, descriptive message. Finally, push your branch with git push origin feature/name so others can review or continue the work. You're ready to wrap up by creating a pull request on GitHub. Choose your branch, add a clear title and description, and request reviewers so changes can be validated. Once reviewers suggest edits, fetch updates, rebase or merge as your team prefers, resolve conflicts, and push the revised commits. After merge, delete the branch locally and remotely to keep history tidy. If something goes wrong, check git status and git log to understand state. Run git remote v to confirm URLs before attempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.